So hello everyone, once again welcome back in my YouTube channel. So in this video we cover what is do while loop in the C language. So what is the do while loop? So do while loop is the variant of the while loop. You can say that this is the variant of the while loop. Yeah, yes, you can say the child of the while loop. Yeah, also it is the closely collection with the while loop. Some major difference of the do while loop and while loop. This loop will be execute code block once before checking the condition if it is true or false. So this is a very important line. So what if is anyone's ask me what is the difference between do while loop and while loop? So you can instead say if the condition is wrong, while loop not be executed, and in the if the condition is wrong, if it condition this particular given condition is wrong, do while loop at least one time always execute. After then he checking the condition. So this is all about the our what is different between while loop and do while loop. And also he is repeating the same task along as the condition is true. When the condition is going to false, the our loop will terminate it. So let's start how to write the code, and also we give the difference between the while loop and while loop. Only the one major difference. So I go to my VS Code and explain the how to write the do while loop. So here I creating the one file which name is loops.c, and here I'm writing the do while loop. So do, here you can say, if you use the VS Code, automatically your structure is generated after writing the do. So I write the manually do, and here simply I'm write while, not sorry, I simply write while, and here and give the condition. Sorry for that condition. So what I do, I simply write int a equals to 10, sorry, a equal to 1. I want to print the a's value, so simply print. Here what I do, I write print f print percent %d and simply print a values. After then what I do, I simply increment it a plus plus, and here what is check, I give the condition a greater than equals to 10, and after then I run it. So you can see the output. Sorry for that, I give the let, sorry for that, I control s. So here you can say the our output is printed, because I need the new line. So simply use slash and control s and run it. So oh sorry, I using the wrong slash and run it. So here you can say our one, sorry, what is it, sorry, I remove it. Sometime my eclipse is getting the some problem. Here you can say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is printed. Let's suppose I give the condition is false. What I give, the a is greater than equals to 0. This particular condition, no, a is greater than equals to 10. This first you can say check. Here you can say the a is 1, and 1 is greater than equals to 10. Condition is false. Condition is false. So after printing the one time, he go to the a equal to 2. 2 is greater than equal to, condition is false. So after printing 1, he my while loop is terminated, do while loop is terminated, and you can see the output. So here you can say only the one is output. After that, our while loop is the give the this condition, this particular condition is going to the false. After then we are while our while loop is terminated and all the thing. That's why he printed the while loop. Let's suppose I give this same condition in the while loop. So simply here I print, I use printf, and the printf I'm simply write while loop So this particular line is printed in our console, you might be think this, yes, in here in the below of the all the codes in the while loops. So simply I write while I give the same things, copy and control V. After then, and simply what I do, I simply want to print it. And you can see this particular condition is first in the first line. This particular condition is going to false, is not printed the any value. So let's save it. I delete it, I want, and run it. So here you can there, after printing the one, he printed the while loop this line of the code. After then he execute this line of code. So in the first line, 1, a value is 1 greater than or equal to 10, no, condition is false, that's why he terminate the while loop and our code is completed. So this is all about the do while loop and while loop. Here you can say when the condition is wrong, at least one time our while loop is printed, at least one time. After then the is not printed. So here you can say the one is printed. And the while loop, so the major difference is the in the do while loop and while loop. Do while loop print the one time after then checking the condition, and while loop first the check the condition, after then he printed the output. So this is all about the do while loop. I hope you like this video. And also, if you any query related to the while loop, if you not understand the while loop and any things in the might be doubt in the, so you can comment on the this particular video. So I create the one separate video on your doubts, so you can better understand the how the while loop and do like while loop is work and all the things, because the looping is the very important for the learning the language. Because entire language, if you go to switch on the C and sorry, switch on the C++ and the Java and any language, the loop are the same. So first you might be learn about the loop. You focus on the loop, because in the loop your entire coding journey loop is very important. So this is this. Thank you for the watching the video, and bye.